Well, we got birds flying. They're doing good again. Hopefully they stick around. Hello, bald eagle. Thank you for coming by. Now go away. Well, they're all out. They're motoring. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up there. Some of the younger guys down there, they're just getting some experience out. And a lot of the other guys are flying. They're zipping all over the place. Hopefully they don't go too far. Stick around. I think there's 4 or 5 of them flying around. Is that the red check? I think so. And that looks like one of the blue bars. They're flying pretty good. Yep, that's the red check and one of the blue bars. There's a couple more somewhere. And we'll see where they go and what they do. Most of them are back. I think all of them are back, actually. Some of them are going up there. No, turn around. Stupid tail owls. Tail owl, you're not smart enough. You're not strong enough for this. Where are you going? You see this guy? Thinks he's one of them. Go back over there. Got these guys up here. Looking around. The white one flew today. Pretty good. She flew, she did some good laps. Woo. Where are you going? That's the bird bath. There's no water in there. Everybody going in? Not yet. You guys got some time. Good job. Good job, guys. Good job, everybody. Another good day. I just got to get a few more of you flying around. But you're all doing really well. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think there's one more on the back side. There should be 14 of them out. Yep, there's the 14th one, the red check. Just came up over the sides. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Still only see 13. What are we missing? Somebody go in? Oh no, there's 14. I missed one. Missed one of the white ones. I didn't count the 2 tail owls because they don't count. They don't go anywhere. Come on, let's go. Dinner time. Stop eating the grass seed. Come on. Come on, dinner time. Come on, guys. You're gonna miss dinner. Landing platform. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. They're all back in. All 14 of them that flew. 4 of them are still, we're doing things slow with those, but it's going really well. This is now the second day in a row without the gel on. You'll see that a lot of them flew really well. They all stuck around. They all listened good. So another couple days like this, and then I think it's time to start pushing them off the roof and getting them all to fly. But it's going really, really well. It's this is real exciting, and the rhythm continues.